This Kenwood food processor comes with an emulsifying tool that whips cream or eggs to perfection, a must-have for anybody who loves to bake. The 2.1 litre bowl offers a larger capacity accessory, so you can mix, blend and prepare more in one go, perfect for when you're cooking a family meal. With a stainless steel blade, you can be confident that all of your chopping, cutting and blending needs are handled effortlessly. It saves time on food preparation, so you can spend less time in the kitchen. The 1.2 litre plastic blender is great when it comes to making dips, sauces, shakes and smoothies. It takes the pressure off when you're in a rush with its quick and simple performance. The powerful 800-watt motor in this Kenwood food processor ensures that it works reliably time after time, perfect for updating your kitchen.